Hi, Mr. Non. Happy 60th birthday. Ngayon na may discount card ka na, kailangan mas madalas na tayo magkita para may discount na rin kami sa food. Okay, that's the essence of what I want to say. When I think of Mr. Non, I think about good times spent laughing and eating. Laughing because you always make up your own jokes, you always make us laugh. Eating because that's what you love to do. And I always remember you as the person who never says no to a third piece of pecan pie, to another round of something you like. You really enjoy life to the fullest and it shows. Pero seriously, Mr. No, now that you're 60, please take care of yourself. Please use the treadmill in your room or give it to me. I love you. Happy birthday.
Go. Hi, sir. I have to read my código. Baka may makalimutan ako. Before greeting you happy birthday, let me recall our long-time acquaintance and where do I begin? Oh yes, it didn't begin with RCPI but with SGB. I saw you rose from the ranks up to being a partner. I saw you differ from the rest of your peers. And under difficult situations, you stood by your principles, not compromising, but as a brave soldier fighting for what you believe in. You had the respect of your subordinates through your understanding, compassion, and as a good counselor to those who ask your advice, especially our group. Sir, we are lucky to have you not only as a friend, but as our guiding star till the end of time. Wow. Happy birthday, sir. May God bless you and your loved ones. Don't forget the blowout. Be sure, we're sure we will be missing CDL, but we know that His Spirit is with us. Happy birthday again, sir. Bye.
Yeah, hi sir, happy birthday. Now this is going to be very different from how you have known me. No long emails at madaldal sa mga gatherings natin. This time is gonna be really short and sweet, no? But I dressed up for you today, actually, para naman greeting you like that. Actually, andito si Des at saka si Dita, so we've been laughing the whole time when we were videoing this. But anyway, together with Rico, of course, no? But just to greet you happy birthday, and to thank you also for keeping the group together. You have been our father, although you're not that old, but you have been the sole factor keeping the whole group together, and we thank you for that. Ako may special note of thanks sa iyo because when you helped me during my, that buy and tell thing that happened, I really have a very special, thank you to say to you on that one. So thank you very much for being around, for all the advices, and for sticking with me all throughout as I went through those grueling times during those buy and tell days. Thank you for that, and I really wish you a lot more wonderful years. Tama si Dita, please take good care of your health. We wish you a lot more of the wonderful years to come and a lot of happiness. Ngayon 60 ka na, you can get away with a lot of stuff. So live life and enjoy life a lot. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Mr. Non. Happy 60th birthday. Birthday ka na naman. You're still young. Huwag ka muna magre-retire. I think you can still do a lot of things. You can be more successful too. 60 is not a very old age. You can work until 70. That would be very. I met Mr. Non actually a decade ago, 1996, when I worked for RCPI. Only to find out that Mr. Non worked for SGB and was the office mate of my father-in-law. So there are so many stories that Mr. Non told me about their experiences. Mr. Non was also a consultant for the company where my father worked. So kilala na Mr. Non knows my parents. It's such a small world. And then in the course of our stay in RCPI, we had all these same likes that we and Mr. Non had, which is eating. So we would tour a lot of these restaurants in the Quezon City area. And at that time, no diet yet, right? So we would try each of the restaurants and each of the dishes. I cannot forget what Mr. Non told me before, when we were eating lechon. Ang sabi ni Mr. Non, dahan-dahan lang ang nguya para hindi ma-absorb. Hanggang ngayon, hindi ko talagang makalimutan yan. So, talagang iba talaga pagkasama si Mr. Non when it comes to eating. So, Mr. Non, I would like to really greet you happy birthday. Stay healthy. I wish you more blessings.